welcome back to Animal Wonders. Today I wanted to do an unboxing video because we got two big packages from two amazing people and Steve and I wanted to share that with you. Our first big gift comes from a longtime supporter, Devon. This is already opened because my husband, Augusto, didn't realize I wanted to do it on camera, but I have not seen what's in there, so let's go ahead and dig in. All right, first off, she sent me an email and she did say that there was some fleece in here, so this is awesome. We can always use more blankets for the animals. Really comfortable. It's great bedding for a lot of our animals, like our hedgehog and our chinchillas. They stand on fleece a lot and they get it dirty pretty quickly, and sometimes they'll chew on it and it'll get destroyed. So having new fleece is awesome. Oh, and it looks like there's a lot in here. There's something like crumbly on it. Let's see what that is. Oh, you know, nice. This is what's causing the crumbling. This is a sand mat, and it's great for leopard geckos and other desert type reptiles because it's a nice solid substrate that they can't accidentally ingest, but it's not slippery, so they can still get a good grip. This is awesome. This is a hide, and I think Argos, our Molly Uromastix, is going to really enjoy this. Oh, and we have some rodent shoes in here. Devon is fond of the rodents, and so am I. These are Kemosabe's favorite things to chew on, and I think I'll give this to Huckleberry, our beaver. These look like willow twigs to me, and willow is like one of his favorite things to chew on. And we have another sand mat. These you can see that the sand does come off, so these do wear out after a while. So this is awesome. We have a backup. And I love how big these are, so that if we do have a smaller enclosure, I can cut them down and fit them to size. And some fun little blocks to chew on. Kismet, our African crested porcupine, loves just destroying anything that she possibly can. So I bet she's gonna love these. That was it, we did it. Except for some sand. Thank you so much, Devon. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. This one's a little bit bigger. Okay, this one actually comes from someone new, and there is a note. Dear Animal Wonders, my name is Madden and I'm 11 years old. I have two baby miniature goats, one named Henry and the other Louie, a guinea pig named Leia, which we are currently trying to find a friend for, and a blue heeler named Carlos. I love your channel. You are so knowledgeable and you explain things very well. I hope you and your animals had an extremely Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love, Madden. P.S. Sorry the package came in so late. It was supposed to be a Christmas present donation. Also, please open it on camera. Well, Madden, here we go. We're opening it on camera. Here we go. Oh man, I can see first off that there are so many awesome things for our rodents to hide in. Like we go through so many of these small animal hides because small animals, just like reptiles, they go find places to hide so that they can kind of de-stress and just be nice and calm and don't have to worry about anything. But these are edible, and a lot of our small animals like chinchillas and our guinea pigs, they chew these things and they go through them. It's a lot of fun, but these are always needed. We got a can of snails. Oh my goodness. I kind of want to open this up right now. I wonder if it smells. I've actually never had a can of snails before, but you use these for different reptiles. Oh, it looks like mushrooms. Oh, it smells kind of like cookies. This looks like a rope. Yes. This is a rope toy, and we can either give it to Mimi the monkey. She has a lot of toys in there right now. Or we can give it to one of our birds, and we can either hang it like this and they can climb along there. We can hang it down like that and they can climb up like this. They can chew on it. What do you think, Steve? Do you want this? No comment from Steve. And of course we got some extreme Kongs, which we can use the treats to fill. Oh man, Ruby is going to love this. And I don't know if you guys know, but we recently adopted a new dog. His name is Han, and I bet he is going to love these. So these are gonna get a lot of wear and tear. Thank you guys so much for giving these gifts to the animals. It's so incredibly important that they get enrichment so that they can live a happy and healthy life. It means so much to me, and I'm so grateful that you care enough about these animals, that you want them to be happy. Thank you so much. So let's go ahead and give these to the animals and see how much they enjoy them. Thanks for joining me and Steve today, unboxing all these awesome toys. If you'd like to go on an adventure with us every week, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Animal Wonders Montana. Thanks, guys.